Namaste children, welcome to Merry Moped Skill. I am your Burna ma'am. Today we are going to learn about phases of moon and the name of the experiment is natural disappearing trick. So for this experiment we need two clear plastic cups. In one plastic cup we need to stick a circle sticker, yellow sketch pen, black permanent marker, sticky tape and scissors, and we need to cut and keep ready the phases of moon, 8 phases of moon: new moon, waxing crescent, waxing half, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, waning half, waning crescent. Take the plastic cup in which we had stuck a circle sticker and let's color it with the yellow sketch pen. Now with the help of the black permanent marker, we need to paint half of the cup vertically. The side which we had colored the yellow color sticker. We are coloring the inside of the cup, half of the cup vertically, the side which we had stuck the yellow sticker. After coloring, it will appear like this. Now take the other plastic cup, put it upside down, and let's make 8 markings equally spaced. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure your markings are equally spaced. Now with the help of sticky tape, we are going to take the labels of the lunar phases and stick it in the plastic cup according to the markings. The lunar phases should be in this order: new moon, waxing crescent, waxing half, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, waning half and waning crescent. Once stuck, it will appear like this. If you notice, the labels are aligned according to the markings which you had done. Now take the black colored cup with the moon sticker and just insert it inside the cup which has labels. Now let's make the markings of the phases of moon with the help of permanent marker. New moon, waxing crescent, waxing half, waxing gibbous, full moon. We will leave it as it is. Next phase is waning gibbous. Color the right side of the moon. Next comes waning half. We'll color the right side of the moon, half of the moon. Next comes waning crescent. Now let's have a recap of whatever we have done so far. We have colored the entire moon with black and it looks like a new moon. We have colored the left side, 3/4 of the left side of the moon, and that is waxing crescent. We have colored the left side of the moon and that is waxing half. We have colored it half. We have colored half of the left side of the moon, that is waxing half. And next comes waxing gibbous. We have not colored the moon, and that is full moon. The next phase is waning gibbous. We have colored the right side. We have colored half of the right side of the moon, and that is waning half. The next phase is waning crescent. As we all know that moon is the only satellite which orbits around the earth. On new moon day, we don't see moon in the sky. Does that mean that moon has vanished? No. Where is it then? Why do we see only a part of moon on some days? Why is it bright some days and not so bright the other days? Here goes the explanation. The moon revolves around the earth in a fixed orbit. The moon does not have its own light. Sun gives light to moon. When the moon is between the earth and the sun, we cannot see the moon at all. This is because the side of the moon facing the earth does not get sunlight. This is called new moon, and it is new moon day or no moon day. After 2 or 3 days, we can see some part of the moon. This phase is called waxing crescent. As the moon is gaining light, we can see some part of the moon, and that phase is called waxing. The moon is getting illuminated and it is expanding. After about a week, we can see half of the moon. We call it waxing half or first quarter. 2 or 3 days later, more than half of the moon is visible. This phase is called waxing gibbous. After about 2 weeks, we can see the full moon. This is because full side of the moon is facing earth and it is illuminated by the sunlight fully. Now the moon begins its journey from the full moon to new moon or no moon. This phase is called waning. Now the moon, when it's slightly losing the illumination, it is called waning gibbous. Now the moon is losing light and it is decreasing, it is getting less illumination, and that is called waning half. And after 2 or 3 days, it is moving towards the no moon day, and that is waning crescent. And to complete one cycle, the moon takes 29.5 days. Number of days between two new moons is 29.5 days. And this is called a lunar month. A blue moon occurs when there is a second full moon during the same month. A blue moon occurs once in quarter to 3 years. Dear kids, hope you had an interesting time learning the phases of the moon. Let's meet you in another experiment. Thank you.